Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove background on Canva. So let's say that you add an image into Canva and you want to remove its background. So I'm going to just show you. For example, I add Okay, so I add this pictures right here and I want to remove the background and change it into other colors. So basically just click on the image and then go to edit image at the top. And here you'll find there is a BG remover or background remover that will allow you to remove the background of your image with one click. Just click on that and just wait until the removing process is finished. Okay, so you can see here the background has been removed, and then after that you can just place it anywhere you want, and you can also change the background. For example, I want to change it into white, and you can use this to save your PNG image so that it won't have any background on it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.